Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. It is Mike. It is December 2018 and I am coming to you live from a random place in Yorba Linda just outside of Trader Joe's, which is just down the shopping center from my office here, Yorba Linda Boulevard. So anyway, wanted to reach out with our monthly market update for Yorba Linda. As always, we have broken the market down into 4 different segments: the condo and townhome market, the entry-level single-family home, the mid-level single-family home, and the high-end luxury single-family home. And what I will tell you is that in all across the board, we're seeing a market shift. So we're definitely in a shifting market. I've been talking about that for at least the last 3 or 4 months. But anyway, let me jump into the numbers and you'll kind of see what I mean. So the condo and townhome market, the average townhome price is now $531,000. That's down 2.6% year over year. Indicative of the market is that we have 3.3 months of inventory. That is over the past 3 months. That's our rolling average. So compared to this time last year, we only had 1.1 month of inventory. So we actually have 3 times as much inventory on the market as we did the same time last year. So in the entry-level market, which is single-family homes under $800,000, the average price is $693. That is up from last year where it was $679, so that's about 2%. But we have 2.2 months of inventory. This time last year, again, we had 1.1 months of inventory in that market segment, so we have twice as much inventory on the market in the entry-level single-family home market here in Yorba Linda. So in the mid-level market, which I define as $800,000 to $1.4 million, the average price is just over $1,026,000 compared to last year where it was $1,003,000. So that's about a 2% increase as well, 2.2. We have 3.7 months of inventory, and compared to this time last year, we had 2.8 months of inventory. So inventory's up in that market segment as well, not as significantly as the entry-level market or the townhomes and condos. And then in the luxury market, which is 1.4 million and above, the average sales price is actually just under 2 million now. It's 1.979. Last year it was 2.16, so it's actually down about 9%. And get ready for this number. We actually have 16 months of inventory above 1.4 million in Yorba Linda. So this time last year we had 6.9. That was kind of high. Last quarter we had 5.5. Now we have 16 months of inventory, 1.4 and above. So overall in Yorba Linda we have about 6 months of inventory, which is in our area more of a buyer's market than a seller's market. And we are expecting this shift to continue as we get into 2019. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions, your specific neighborhood. It's going to be even more important now to really dig into comps when pricing a property. So there's no room for error anymore in pricing a property. It used to be where you could maybe just overprice it a little bit and the market would kind of still save you. So that is not going to be the case anymore. Property's going to have to be priced well as marketed and presented well. So feel free to reach out anytime. Otherwise, I'll see you in 2019. Take care.